Now the only thing what we also do too, we teach it where the girls and the guy learn the same choreography. So what I'm doing, one say 5, 6, left leg, and et deux, et trois. So she learned it from the left leg. This is how guys start off. Guys start with the left leg. So the thing is, when we go to parties, events, or workshops, if there's not enough guys, too many girls, our girls turn into guys because we know how to lead. So they know how to do it. So now when it comes to becoming a girl, all she does is learn it backwards. So if we're dancing, I'm the girl, 5, 6, 7, and boom. So I can become a girl now, and I start with the right leg first, as opposed to start with my left leg. But if we switch the roles, boom, 5, 6, 7, and boom. She become a girl now. See it? So we teach it from both aspects.
I always get confused, so I just stayed.
And that's the whole point. Let it do lead. He'll lead you.
Yeah.
Because that's the next question. How do you let your man control you? I don't know if I asked that right. I don't know.
How your partner control you.
Okay, you have to let him lead so he can learn. Like you can't be trying to teach him
Like full push.
Yeah, during the dance floor or whatever. Like when you're teaching him.
Not only that, don't predict his moves. Don't do it. If you
I
try to
get
predict
you.
what he's about to do, you're
Let it
going to
go.
do it wrong. Wait till he leads you. If he's not leading you right, then you're both gonna look crazy. So it's his fine ways.
If anything, yeah, let him still look good. Try to make him look good. So by letting him follow, because if both of you guys are butting heads, because I hate that all the time. If I'm dancing with somebody, if I'm dancing with a girl, right? We're dancing. Like if I do this here to turn her, like she wants to be able to do the move first, and then if I step out, she turns before I turn her. I'm like, nah, you stay right here. I ain't trying to turn you yet. Okay, now we can turn you. There you go. See, now we both can't be doing the same things. If anything, even though you know how to dance, he can't dance. Let him do his thing.
Yeah.
Give him that, but you know what I'm saying?
And play with it. Make it
Just
look
that
good. Whatever he's making you do, make it look even better.
Smile.
Exactly.
Smile. Be like, you're doing great, babe. Like.
Get it. You better speak it, girl.
Yeah.
So let's say, for example, let's say if I'm a girl, right? I'm a girl and she's a guy and she turned me, right? So she turned me, boom, boom, whatever. So I look like I can't, dance as much, right? But if I know how to dance and he's only doing basic moves, turn me, boom, boom.
Yeah.
So I make it look good. You know what I'm saying? Because I know how to dance, let me turn.
Yeah.
So the girl moves slightly slow later than the guy.
Just like Kizumba and other dances, what it is like the Konpa, the push and pull come from the arm. So what you do is the guy is leading you, and sometimes you're like a half a second behind. Well, this isn't Kizumba. Half a second, 2 seconds behind him when you're dancing. But Konpa, you're not so much behind him. It's more so based on how he holds you and maneuvers you, you know where to go. So if I'm dancing, boom, right? This is my push and pull. I tell her when to move and when not to move from here. And then in this hand here, I lead her with this. I direct her. My hand here will lead her. Boom. So even though we never did this.
And he knows what he's about to do, so he gets her on the right beat to move her.
Exactly.
So he's not going to move her on the wrong beat. He's going to make sure she's with him the whole way.
Know your song.
Yeah.
Know your song.
You don't need to know
Exactly.
the song, just know the beat.
What if you don't know the song?
That's so true.
I mean,
The beat
You're
stay on
doing
the
what
it's
you
just
have
straight,
party-
it's just straight my shit.
Like.
Because almost every Haitian music is almost the same. To tell the truth, bro.
You know when
Because you know when to be moving, it's almost the same. But then there's a solo where you can't move no more. That's when the gouye come. I be dancing on the dance floor, right? I be dancing with girls at times, and then they're like, "Why you do so much turning? This is gouye. Why you?" But the thing is, you gotta understand, the music has different variations in it. It lets you know when to dance. I'm not gonna sit here and gouye with you the whole entire time. The gouye ain't gonna feel as good because you already got it from start to finish. But when I do the Konpa, when that beat drop, that solo kick in, when you get that gouye, you're like, oh, okay.
Disclaimer, I don't like gouye.
You don't like gouye?
No, I only do it in routines and stuff like that. But I'm highly uncomfortable.
Someone said,
But you would never know. You would never
his
know.
accent.
My accent. You love my accent. Don't
Oh,
you love my
Papa Side.
You love my accent too.
African
I went
accent.
to No, but you enjoyed it. So let's
Yeah.
thank you guys so much. Then we're gonna go live on Facebook now.
Oh, we're gonna go live on Facebook. So,
Got T minus 14 minutes before they kick us out.
Yeah.
what's her Facebook name?
14 minutes. 14.
14 minutes?
W-I-K-O-T-R?
No.
Yeah, WIKOTR, yeah.
Yeah. So that's where we're going to be. We're going to be on Facebook. So see you guys on Facebook.
See you guys in few seconds
On Facebook.
on Facebook.
We're going to do the same song?